Hello students, good morning. In the previous videos we talked about the hyperconjugation stabilizing effect and inductive effect. Let's talk about the third electronic effect or displacement effect, and that is electromeric effect. So the important point about this effect are, the first thing you should know about that is it's a temporary effect. What does it means? Students, it only observed during the reaction. Students, it only observed during the reaction. That means it is a temporary effect. Only double bond or triple bond containing compounds show this effect. Second, that this effect involves pi electron, means not these this effect not observed in alkanes, and wherever double bond is present this effect is shown. Complete transfer of pi electrons take place in this type of effect. Okay students, and at last condition, presence of attacking reagent is must for this effect to take place. Students, this effect has shown when only attacking reagent or electrophile or nucleophile approached the compound, then this type of effect is shown. Let's see electromeric induction. Imagine we have a molecule like this. Students, here is CH3 and we can take CH3 at this side, and let's take hydrogen here, and here hydrogen is also and this is an alkene, and this alkene shows electromeric effect when it is approached by some other species. For example, if we take any electrophile, students, we all know that electrophile is electron deficient species, okay, and where attack there where electron density is present. So what happened in alkene, students? See here, this is alkene, I repeat it, CH3 is here, and let's take hydrogens at other bond. Now electrophile attack the alkene. Now what happening here? So students, complete shifting of pi electrons at one carbon and getting polarized like this. Or when the pi electron shifts at this carbon, it also happen, na students? See negative charge, positive charge. See students, if this pi electron shifts at this carbon, then pi minus charge created at this carbon, okay, and it is also option na कि pi electron shifts at this carbon, sorry, yes, it this carbon, and then negative charge creates the this carbon and positive charge the other carbon. So students, we know very well that electrophile is electron deficient species and it attacks where it negative charge is present. If this polarized compound is formed, then electrophile attacks at here, okay, and if this compound is formed, this polarized compound is formed, then electrophile attacks at this carbon, okay students. Now let's see what is happening here. C, single bond C, are you getting my point now students? C, here I attached E, okay students. Let's take bonds. Now if this compound is formed, then here is positive charge, okay students, and now this compound is formed C, and electrophile attacks at this carbon because it have a negative charge, and electrophile is electron deficient compound, C student, E, and positive charge remaining this at this carbon, okay. And now see bonds here, okay. Now see comparison, both polarized compounds. Students, what is shown here? It is carb cation, no? Carb cations. And what is the difference between this? Sorry students, I didn't put CH3. Then you get it very well. Here is H and here is also CH3, and here is also H and H. See students, this carb cation is looking 2 degree, na? See, and this carb cation is looking 1 degree. So students, double bond pi electron shifting at the carbon, it depends on their stability. That shifting of electron where occur. So pi electron shifting is happened there where carb cation will be formed more stable. So what is the result students? This carb cation will formed and E attacks at this carbon, not this carbon. Okay. Now students, types of electromeric effect. 2 types are there: positive electromeric effect and negative electromeric effect. Positive electromeric effect and negative electromeric effect. Example, students, we take example. See, this is alkene and electrophile are attacking position. Students, see, where the electrons are shifting, electrophile attack to that particular carbon. Okay students, where the electrons are shifting, electrophile attacks that particular carbon and positive charge will create at the carbon at other adjacent carbon. Okay, and this effect is called positive electromeric effect. Are you getting my point students? What I said? Students, where the electrons are shift, electrophile attacks to that carbon, that particular carbon, and positive charge will create at that other adjacent carbon. Okay students, when the transfer of electrons take place at the atom of attacking reagent as termed as electromeric effect, positive electromeric effect. Now see, negative electromeric effect. Here is also alkene and attacking reagent is nucleophile. Students, here carbon ion is observed. What happened is here see here electron shifting and creates a negative charge, and a nucleophile attack at their carbon. Where nucleophile attacks, their positive charges creates. See, here positive charge, then nucleophile attacks at this carbon. And what happened? See students, see here Nu I attached and see here negative charged. What is this? This is carbon ion. So students, in negative electromeric effect, carbon ion is observed when the transfer of electrons take place away from the atom of attacking reagent. It's termed as negative electromeric effect. Students, getting my point? I am repeating. Where when the transfer of electrons take place away from the atom of attacking reagent, it is termed as negative electromeric effect. So students, this is a short brief of electromeric effect. Thank you students.